What if you could turn your living room into a full home theater without spending thousands? A smart projector that connects directly to Netflix, Prime Video, has Dolby sound, autofocus, all for under $300. Today, we're answering one big question. Is it worth it? And yes, we're talking about the GooDee YG600-Movin Smart Projector, the model that's blowing up on Amazon right now. Before anything else, this isn't just another budget projector. It has something rare at this price point: official certification from Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube. That means you can open the app directly on the projector and stream movies. No Fire Stick, no Chromecast, no hassle. Most projectors block this due to copyright issues, so when I saw this was officially supported, I had to test it. And here's another game changer: electric focus and automatic keystone correction. With just one click on the remote, the image snaps into perfect alignment. No moving the projector, no manual adjustments. Perfect for quick setup whether you're watching a movie or playing games. Now let's test the main use case: streaming. I opened Netflix. Loaded instantly. Need of resolution is Full HD, 1080p, but it supports 4K content decoding. So if you're watching a 4K movie on Prime Video, it plays in stunning quality, even though it's not native 4K. And no lag, no buffering. Thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi 5G plus 2.4G, the connection stays smooth and stable. Now, how does it handle gaming? I connected my PS5 via HDMI. Zero input lag. With 50% to 100% optical zoom, I can adjust the screen size up to 400 inches, all without moving the projector. Ideal for backyard movie nights, camping trips, or just turning your garage into a cinema. Now, let's talk sound. Many projectors have weak built-in speakers, but not this one. It comes with two 15W speakers and full Dolby audio support. The result? Clear highs, rich mids, and deep bass. Way better than expected for this price. The design is also impressive. It uses a 6-layer refractive glass lens, German imported chips, and Japanese-made bulbs. This boosts brightness, contrast, color accuracy, and prevents black spots. With 800 ANSI lumens, it performs well in dim rooms and even works outdoors with shade. But nothing's perfect. First, it's not a true 4K projector, it's Full HD native, so if you need pixel-perfect 4K, look elsewhere. Also, the bulb lifespan isn't clearly stated. That's something to consider if you plan heavy use. And no carrying case comes with it, so if you're taking it outside, you'll need to protect it yourself. But here's the thing. For under $300, you get Netflix access, Dolby sound, autofocus, 5G Wi-Fi, and top-tier image quality. That's hard to beat. So after testing everything, is it good? Yes. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Especially if you want a smart, easy-to-use home theater with official app support. No extra devices needed. If you're thinking about buying a projector like this, the GooDee YG600-Movin is one of the best value picks in 2025. And guess what? It's currently on sale on Amazon, and the link is in the description below. If you want to save money, this is the perfect time to buy. If you enjoyed this honest review, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, because every week we bring you real reviews of products you actually want to buy. You won't miss out on deals, new releases, or hidden gems. Turn your space into a theater. The GooDee YG600-Movin Smart Projector. Proof that great entertainment doesn't have to cost a fortune. See you in the next video.